How you doing, YouTube? This is Q with Automotive Group. Today we have a special vehicle. We have a 2026 Hyundai Palisade. This mid-size SUV is considered one of Hyundai's flagship vehicles. On this video, we will be giving you guys a close-up on this luxury mid-size SUV with the exterior covered in what they call charcoal pearl. The bodywork, you kind of have that engraved fender here with the black trim and this perfect silver aluminum finish here that aligns with this vehicle. Matches the wheels. You have these nice 18-inch aluminum finish wheels with gray intercept with metallics in the paint here, which just gives it a perfect match with the wheels, with the paint, the trim, everything that comes on this vehicle. It just looks perfect. As we start with the redesigned facelift of the Palisade, let's talk about the LED projector lights that kind of stack on top of each other. Then you're aligned with this nice LED strip here on the top of the grille. These nice vertical LED lights here. These work as your turn signal and work as your daytime running lights. Gives this nice front end a nice elegant look, matching with this gray and black with the silver aligned grille here. Very different, especially with this nice large logo here. Gives the vehicle a nice luxury look. Also, when you come to the back, you have your nice tail lights. These also have that big vertical view here with your reverse lights. And again, Hyundai still put their large logo on the back with the writing. Gives it that nice big flagship look. I think Hyundai did a pretty good job when putting this together and doing the craftsmanship on this vehicle. And under the hood, guys, you have a nice 3.5 liter V6 engine with 260 pounds of torque, 287 horsepower. Gives you a nice smooth ride with pretty much all conditions. As we move into the cockpit area, as you notice, it's a very large and wide area. And with that being said, guys, here's a more in-depth, detailed look of the interior of the vehicle. And I want you guys to stay tuned for the POV drive portion of the vehicle. Thank you guys for staying with me with this video, and make sure you subscribe and make sure you like, share, and comment. Thank you.